Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a coloring book in Canva. So first things first, you have to go to canva.com, create an account, sign up. You can create an account using your email, password, or your Google account. Go to create a design and then tap on the search icon, and then here you have to look for coloring book or coloring page. Basically, you will see different options or result. Then you have to select which one you like. So for example, I'm going to pick this one right here. Once you click this, it will take you directly to the other page or another page where you can see this blank page right here. And on the left side, you will see sample templates. Okay, so you have to look for a coloring page for your coloring book. Now, if you're looking for a specific keyword or if you're looking for a specific element, you can go to the search bar or search icon right here or search box. And then you have to look, for example, like coloring. You can try that one. But basically, if you go to the elements and then search for something, it will show you these things right here. So basically, you can either go to graphics, not photos, or you can use the new feature in Canva, which is this generate image right here. In the generate image, all you have to do is to add or type the specific keyword. Let's just say, I will be creating a coloring book for vegetables. So type vegetables. Canva will show you a different coloring element for vegetables. Okay, so basically, you can choose from any of this here, or you can just go to graphics. Also, in Canva, there is this magic recommendation. So you can see more options here. Now you just have to drag this to the blank page. So everything is up to you. You can arrange this, but this is just to show you how to create a coloring page or book using Canva. Then after that, tap share and then download it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.